Hey folks, it's Rose. It's Friday, February 8th, a blizzard of 2013. I'm just barely poking my head out the door because it's wicked windy and wicked snowy. We don't have that much on the ground yet, but it's blowing like crazy. I wish I could really show you, but it's kind of hard to see. You can hear the wind in the trees. I'll do an update in the morning. The wind sounds like a freight train. Oh, I must have got something on the lens. There. Oh, that's it for right now. See more blowing snow tomorrow.